practical tips. In today's video, we'll guide you through a simple and effective method to propagate red roses at home. A process so accessible that anyone can do it, even without gardening experience. Let's get started. Start with a healthy, disease-free bloom, around 15 to 20 centimeters in length. Remove all leaves at the base of the stem. This reduces the risk of rot and promotes more efficient root formation, ensuring the cuttings grow well. Take a garlic clove and gently rub it onto the cut surface of the stem. We believe in harnessing the power of nature. In this method, we combine garlic and orange peel, two readily available ingredients that offer incredible benefits. Take 3 cloves of garlic, peel and chop them. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water over the mixture, stir, and let it steep for about an hour. To support your cutting. Solution. Pour the mixture into the jar. Position the stem so that the leaf node is facing out, as this is where new leaf buds will develop. Make a small hole in the sponge to insert the cutting. Use a plastic bag to seal the jar tightly, securing it with tape to create a greenhouse effect, which helps reduce water evaporation. Keep the container in a cool, shaded area, away from direct sunlight, to prevent stress on the young plant. The roots began to develop robustly within just 5 days. Thank you for joining us on this green journey. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Wonderful Garden No.1. Share it with your gardening community. Share it with your